All right, everybody wants flush shower floors where we don't have to step over a curb to enter. So today I'm going to show you two different ways that we accomplish that, both in a wood floor and a concrete floor. Let's get going. Okay, so we are on the main floor and we actually have two recessed shower floors on this level, but I want to show you how we accomplish this detail in a case where we have a floor system like this. So all of our floor system is built with I-joists, and they're 11 and 7/8. And in this case, we want to be able to recess this shower floor down at least 1.5 inches. So what we've done is this section of the floor is actually framed with 2x10s, and we'll go downstairs and look at how that framing works. But what it gives us the ability to do is the bottom of the 2x10s end up flush with the bottom of the I-joist, which means we can recess the top in here. So not only do we have it down the 1.5 inches, we also have the depth of our floor sheeting. So from there, the tile crew is able to come in here and build up this shower floor to get our tile floor set on top of it so that we're flush with this main floor. But our goal is really to be able to create slope, which is why we need this 1.5 inch depth. The other thing we have to think about as we're framing these is whatever type of drain we're going to use. So in this case, we have linear drains and we plan on putting that along the back of the shower here. So we have to make sure we're thinking about that when we're placing these 2x10s because the direction of them could cause issues. So let's go downstairs and check out how this structure is framed from below. And we'll check out one that we've done inside of some concrete. So down here in the basement, you can see what we've done is we've stopped our I-joists and we actually have them hanging off of a beam here. And then you can see our 2x10s are running in this direction. The biggest reason for that is because of that linear drain that I want to install along that back outside wall. I want to make sure that I have space from side to side. So if these were to have been ran the other direction, it would really prohibit the type of drain that you could use. So the bottom of all of these 2x10s is going to be flush with the bottom of our I-joist so that we don't have any difference in ceiling height down here. We've also hung these 2x10s off of beams on either side. So these are structural details that we want to make sure that we've thought about before we start construction, because our engineer is one that actually has to call out what types of beams we're using. So on the two sides where you can see we have the beams going from front to back, they're sitting on the foundation wall on this side, and then they're actually hung off of another beam on the other side. So engineering this and just making sure we have everything laid out exactly like we need is what we want to do ahead of time. And then we can really adjust whichever direction these 2x10s need to go in order to make sure that we can accommodate that drain. So this is a really easy thing to accomplish on a wood floor. You just have to think about it before you get to engineering. But I want to walk you over and show you what we do in a basement like we're in right now to be able to accomplish the same detail in a concrete floor.